Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss about today's market updates. Investors saw 2 lakh rupees crores of loss in today's session. Benchmark stock indices posted the worst single-day drop in over 3 months on Thursday. The Nifty, which closed below the 22,000 mark, has now slipped below the 50-day moving average and is approaching the 100-day moving average support area. BSE Sensex is down by 1,062.22 points, that is 1.45%, and settled at 72,404.17 points. Nifty 50 is down by 345.00 points, that is 1.55%, and settled at 21,957.50 points. Bank Nifty is down by 533.20 points, that is 1.11%, and settled at 47,487.90 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is down by 927.15 points, that is 1.85%, and settled at 49,109.15 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 465.35 points, that is 2.83%, and settled at 15,995.70 points. Alembic Pharma Quarter 4 Earnings Report. Net profit up by 16.8% at 178.2 crore rupees versus 152.6 crore rupees year-on-year. Revenue up 7.9% at 1,517 crore rupees versus 1,406 crore rupees year-on-year. EBITDA up 23% at 260.2 crore rupees versus 211.8 crore rupees year-on-year. Margin at 17.1% versus 15.1% year-on-year. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. Net profit of Venus Pipes and Tubes rose 86.45% to 25.04 crore rupees in the quarter ended March 2024 as against 13.43 crore rupees during the previous quarter ended March 2023. Sales rose 27.13% to 224.10 crore rupees in the quarter ended March 2024 as against 176.28 crore rupees during the previous quarter ended March 2023. For the full year, net profit rose 94.48% to 85.98 crore rupees in the year ended March 2024 as against 44.21 crore rupees during the previous year ended March 2023. Equity mutual fund inflows dropped by 16.42% to 18,917.08 crore rupees in April against 22,633 crore rupees a month ago, shows the data released by the Association of Mutual Funds in India. For the first time ever, monthly investments via systematic investment plans topped the 20,000 crore rupees landmark to reach a total of 20,371 crore rupees during April. Indian Hotels extends partnership with CG Hospitality for Tal Hotels and Taj Safaris. Partnership extended to achieve portfolio of 25 hotels by 2025. Zydus Life Sciences Limited on Thursday said it has received final approval from the US health regulator to market its generic version of Dapsone gel used to treat acne. Shares of Sula Vineyards fell over 7% after the company posted weak results for the quarter ended 31st March 2024. The company's consolidated net profit fell to 13.55 crore rupees from 42.98 crore rupees a quarter ago, and the revenue from operations of the company also fell to 131.70 crore rupees from 217.54 crore rupees a quarter ago. In the year-ago period, Sula's consolidated net profit was at 14.24 crore rupees and revenue from operations stood at 120 crore rupees. Jupiter Wagons Company is looking to achieve 3,000 crores rupees in revenue from producing 100,000 wheel sets. Company is expecting its brakes business to reach rupees 1,000 crore rupees in the next 3 years. Company is planning to expand its braking system and braking business. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.